Before Saturday's race at San Diego, Masterpool had an interview saying he knows he's not a title contender. He's coming over to the West to get some experience and then contend for the outdoor title. And, well, it lasted a round. It's kind of sad to see. Obviously, if you missed San Diego, Masterpool overjumped something, crashed, and I think, as far as I can see, broke a finger or two, and it sounds like he's going to be at least missing some time, depending on what site you read. It's either a couple weeks, sometime, or he's sitting out of the West entirely now, which may open the door for Drew Adams. I don't know. Comment down below. Tell me, would you like to see that? But I mean, it sucks to see. Like you can see right there, he just overjumps something, launches himself, and then face plants into the ground. And we all know Masterpool is not a supercross specialist. That's no dig towards him at all. He is incredibly fast outdoors. He definitely earned this ride. You know, what he did as a fill in for that team earned him the contract for this year, but it also sucks that it's a 1 year contract. He has to prove himself that he deserves that bike. He deserves to stay on that team and potentially, stay on it, work towards something, and move up. And if you're lasting one round of Supercross, crashing out and hurting yourself to the point where you're missing the rest of the time, it sucks. I mean, considering he's already a fill-in ride for this team, they're now down a rider for half the year. Uh, for him, it's time off the bike. It's another injury that he has to heal. It just does not look good. I mean, we all know Supercross is where the money is at. It's where the big sponsors are. Most people watch it on TV. Motocross is, the real. I don't want to say the real fans, but it's the one people you want to go and watch in person. It's the the real work series. Outdoors in the heat, long motos. But Supercross is where all the money's at. It's where all the TV deals are, the big sponsors, the bright lights, however you want to put it. And if you can't perform in Supercross, I don't see him really keeping these rides. I mean, that's probably why he lost his first factory ride while he was on a privateer for a long time. And again, nothing against him. He definitely earned this ride. Last year's outdoor, absolutely incredible. Proves that he can be fast and competitive outdoors. The problem is, can he be fast, competitive, and stay healthy in Supercross, which he has not proved that he can do yet. Especially with the team, you can say this. Maybe he didn't have enough time on the bike for Supercross. Obviously, he was planned to race east. Everything got jumbled up with Levi Kitchen getting sick and moving over there. They moved him over here as a fill-in ride, but it's one of those things that could be a problem. Maybe he was not testing enough for Supercross. Maybe he was testing more for outdoors or doing something else, and he wasn't comfortable. I don't know, but it sucks to see. I mean, obviously, you never want to see anybody get hurt. You never want to see anything happen like this, especially he earned that ride. He deserves to be on the bike, and he should be showing what he can do. But freak accidents, man. Supercross. It is what it is. A lot of times you just do crash and it's the slightest little thing, a couple mile or two an hour over or the wrong gear off a jump, you face plant the next one and then you launch yourself into the ground and well, that's what happens. You break some bones and I don't know, it really sucks. You never gonna see anything happen like that, but I don't know. You tell me. As far as I know, that's the update. He'll miss sometime. If there's any more, I will continue to update you as I have seen it. But you guys tell me, do you want to see Drew Adams come in and fill now? Uh, what do you think of San Diego? What do you think of A2 or coming up A2, A1, whatever it is? Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.